Here's old school metal drums alpha. Since you all contaminated my breathing space with all your lows and rabies and gonorrhea. You bastards, you've done that to me again. Why is it so hard to keep your germs to yourselves? Personal hygiene is not a rocket science, you know? Catch it, bin it, kill it. It's easy. Anyways, I've managed to sweat out the great part of the virus, and all there's left is just this nasty cough that makes you sound like a clown's dog having a seizure. And today we're gonna talk about how to treat that the old school way. Inhaling boiled potato steam. Sounds bizarre? Well, tell that to your babushka. Here's how you do it. Boil some potatoes, drain the water, throw the towel over your head, and inhale the steam for 10 to 15 minutes. It moistures and warms your bronchus, helps loosen mucus, and now we wait for all the nasty stuff to come out. Don't worry, kids, that's just tar. That's what you get after smoking for 50 years. Huh? Been looking for that for ages. Now that's what we are after. Water relief. Hope you learned something new today. Now I'm back to normal. Wait, was that a rectal thermometer? If you found this video entertaining, hit the like and subscribe to my grandson's band, Stereoscope. Thank you.